going guys, my name is AJ and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the iOS 13 public beta on an iPhone. So let's get straight into the video. So first what you want to do is you want to go into Safari and then in Google you want to type in Apple beta and then you want to click on the first link. I'll also leave it in the description below so you guys can access it. Once you get onto this page, you need to just scroll down and click sign up. At this point you'll be told to log in with Apple ID, so just put your details in. And then you got to make sure you agree with the agreement of Apple Beta Software Program. And then you'll be greeted onto this page. Now you have an option if you want to upgrade to Mac, iOS, iPadOS or tvOS. If you're going to use an iPhone, go straight with iOS 13. But if you wish to do iPadOS, you can also do that. But for this video I'm going to be doing iOS. So you're going to scroll down and click here, enroll your iOS device, and click on that. And then this is just Apple letting you know that you should archive a backup. So just in case the beta install doesn't go to plan and it corrupts, then you have a backup of your iOS 12. And then from here you want to click install profile, so click download, click allow. Then click close, and you want to go to your settings, go to general, go to profiles, go to the first one and click install. Put your password in and you can read this if you would like to, but I'm just going to click install. Then click install. This will restart your device and we'll just restart it so it can install the profile for the public beta. So wait for it until your iPhone starts to restart. So once your iPhone restarts, just put your password in. And then what you want to do is once you get to your home screen, just go to settings again, go to general, go to profiles, and you would see the iOS 13 iPadOS Beta Pro software profile. This just gives you the profile to install it. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to General, then Software Update. And then as you guys can see, this will give you the iOS 13 public beta. And this just is a software for the beta to install. And then once you're happy with it and you have enough battery, you can click download and install, put your password in, and it will update a request and it will eventually accept it, and it will show your estimated time of downloading. So it will show you estimated time remaining and your update has been requested. So once this has been done, it will go along and download the beta. So I'm just going to wait for this to happen and I'll come back to you guys. What's going on guys, I'm back with the iOS 13 downloaded, all freshly and installed. Now I'm just going to put my password in. And as you guys can see, we go into there, go into general, go into software update. You can see we are on the latest version of iOS 13. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.